The number one Facebook scam right now in the automobile section, so you don't get taken. I'm going to show you what to watch for, how to handle this, and how to make sure and check with your local DMV. Hi, I'm Clint Allen, the Flipper Guy, and I am here to tell you about the number one Facebook scam. And down in the description, I have left several videos for you, easy for you to find, the newest way to sell on Facebook Marketplace, so you don't have any issues, any questions, and you can sell the vehicle much faster. We do hands-on. I've got quick stories and vids just like this, and all you need to do is so you've gone through Facebook Marketplace and you found this vehicle and you're like, ooh, you know, that's a good price. Doesn't seem to have that much have to do to it. And it's close by. Let's go check it out. And then you get there, you work out a deal, and they hand you a duplicate title. Hold the show. We've got a problem here, and let me tell you what the problem is. There are a lot of people that they have the original title. They go down to the DMV and get themselves a lost title or a duplicate title. Now they have two titles, count them, two titles, and why did they do this? Well, it's to screw you. So, what is the scam? The scam is that they'll take the original title, they'll take it to a title loan company or go online and get a title loan on that car without any intent of ever paying that loan. So now they've got this money and they move that money from that account that it was deposited in and put it into a different bank account, and they close that account. No, these people are good. They'll set those accounts up months in advance because title loan companies know this trick, and they'll look, oh, how long has this account been open? If it's been open for longer than 6 months, hey, we're good to go. Give the guy the money. Poof, it's gone. They'll take the duplicate title. They'll put that on Facebook Marketplace, the vehicle. They'll make it so it's not too low of price, but not too high of price, even though the car's probably got, more than likely, some deep down issues that they haven't disclosed and you haven't caught because you didn't do a proper inspection on the vehicle. Because it's such a good deal and you want to flip a vehicle like the Flipper Guy. So, they give you that title. Well, you know, we wanted to sell it. We moved a whole bunch of times, and I couldn't find the title, so I went down and got a duplicate title, okay? That's if you question them on it. Normally, they won't bring up anything about it at all. But this duplicate title is trash because it's got a title loan, possibly even child support lien. All kinds of issues could be on that title. And I've stressed in a couple of videos already, always get the VIN number in advance and check it. How do we check it? Well, on most state websites, you will find that they have a way of checking liens. Before you start buying cars, if your state does not have that availability to do that, what you want to do is call the DMV or call the state directly and say, hey, I want to be assured that when I buy this car from this private seller, it doesn't have any liens or issues on the title. So when I get there, who can I call and get this type of service? So there you go. This is how we're going to stop you from getting ripped off. There's tons of rip-offs. And every few weeks, I'm going to be adding more and more and more of these rip-offs and how you can stay away from getting the old Heine treatment and to make sure that you do not get screwed. So here's the Flipper Guy. I'm out. Real quick one for you. Go down in the description. Check out a few of them videos. And if it's something that you like, go ahead and subscribe. Watch a few videos. If you don't like what you see, unsubscribe. The cat and dog videos can wait. See you on the next one.
Get out of here. That's not an offer. You're just to steal it.
Dude, is that the piece of junk you bought?
Yes, it is.
I can't believe it must have cost you a fortune to get it running again. But like you say, if you're gonna buy it, gotta steal it. Do you want anything?
Yeah, give me a Mountain Dew.
Do you think anyone's gonna watch this shit?
Hey, I said a Mountain Dew. This is a squirt.
That's all they had.
Well, only assholes drink squirt.
Well, drink up.